Good afternoon, everyone. This is Alvie from Just Alvie News. I wanted to come with you today and give you an update on Nathan Bridges and Ashley Rolland. Of course, they were the two individuals that were arrested for killing Ashley's child and burying him under the house, and of course, abusing Ashley's sister's Taylor. So I'll give you guys a few seconds to log on while you're waiting. Click a care reaction and all that good stuff. I know a lot of you guys have been reaching out to me about this case, and I promised you I would keep track of it. What's up, Ford? What's up, Karen? What's up, Barry? What's up, Montana? What's up, Trisha? What's up, Lisa? Just when we're waiting for people to log on, just to catch you up to speed, back in December, Nathan Bridges and Ashley Rolland was both arrested for the death of Ashley's son, who was buried under their house, underneath some floorboards. His cause of death was basically drowning by Nathan putting his head multiple times into the commode until he drowned. And of course, his sister Taylor suffered hellacious abuse. She was she starved basically. She had burn marks all over her body because that was her punishment. Her punishment, Nathan would take her to the bathroom and put her under scalding hot water. So it was a big disturbing case in December, and we did have some more court dates today, and a lot of you guys have been reaching out for me. I want to remind you guys that justice is slow. It takes a while for it to get to go. But both Ashley and Nathan did appear in court today. They filed what's called I'm not going to be able to pronounce it, basically they don't have enough money to get a lawyer. So they had to make basically a statement to the fact, asking people, telling the court they needed a lawyer. What's up, Desmond? So I'll cover Nathan's first. Nathan filled out that he needed a lawyer, and there's been no further court dates set as of 1:30 p.m. today. Ashley, on the other hand, she too filled out that she needed a lawyer. On her particular one, they also filed, in her particular case, Ashley's lawyer, or lack of lawyer, filed a petition for continuance, and so the judge did grant an order of continuance. So we do have a next court date for Ashley. Ashley's next court date is March 8th of this year at 9 a.m. That's going to be for pretrial motions. Yes, Brandy, these are the people. What's up, Terry? These are the people from Lee County, that little small town right outside of Forest City. Her next court date is going to be March 8th, where they'll do pretrial motions and plea. And initially, the court date is set for April 3rd. Now, unless she makes some kind of plea, which maybe she's going to, because I projected that she would plead and testify against Nathan. So that's probably what we're looking at right now. So the next time Ashley's going to be in court is going to be March 8th, and that's going to be for her pretrial motions and her pleas. And currently her trial is scheduled for April 3rd in Lee County in the courthouse in Marina. And I probably pronounced that wrong. This will absolutely be a case that I will continue to follow. It was very tragic. Small town. People did notice something was wrong, and the neighbors are the ones who went over and took care of stuff, to be honest with you guys. So justice is moving, but moving slow. Doesn't matter if they both need the same sentence. I agree with you, Vicky. Agree with you, Mama Vicky. I'm just saying my guess, especially the way things are showing up in court right now, just like I kind of figured she would. My guess is come March 8th, she'll go in there for a plea to probably work out some kind of plea bargain to testify against Nathan. Hey, Alvie, you look different. I haven't been feeling really well, so I look kind of pale, and I don't have my hair up. COVID long caller sucks. Like, it never goes away. But I get tired of complaining about that. But I did want to give y'all that update because a lot of you guys have been asking, so I wanted to... I was really waiting to see if we was going to get another court date for Nathan, but we haven't. So... has name been released for the reporter? Yeah, I know the name of the reporter that was killed in the car wreck, for sure. Tony says he missed everything. I will recap for you. So I wanted to come on there today and talk about Nathan Bridges and Ashley Rolland. Those are the two people in Lee County who Jennifer I'll talk about in another video. Her mother already knows. In Lee County, who Nathan killed Ashley's little boy by drowning him in the toilet, and of course the young girl Taylor was severely burned because that's part of her punishment. I did want to check and see right now to give you the latest update on the child. I do know that the GoFundMe raised $32,000 so far. So shout out. They've closed the fundraiser down, so there probably wouldn't be any more updates at this time. Definitely. Let me sign in. I'll see. Definitely keep that family in your prayers, and I will continue to follow this story. I'm not going anywhere. So Nathan said he needed a lawyer in court today. Ashley said she needed a lawyer in court today. Ashley's got another court date on March 8th for pretrial and plea. Which that's where my theory comes in, that she'll probably work out a plea arrangement to testify against Nathan. And it's my understanding they're both in some sort of protective custody wherever they're located, because inmate justice does catch up to people rather quickly. Cynthia is letting us know that Taylor, the sister, she's in a Christian school with 5 people and has gotten a new puppy. That's awesome. I know she had an awesome Christmas. They starved her to death. She had fluid on her brains, broken ribs, and just burn marks all over her body. Very, 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 one of the most disturbing cases that I've ever followed. But it's one that we will definitely keep. I know some of you guys were reaching out yesterday, but there was no court yesterday. And I promised you guys, just as soon as I found something out, I would let you know. So as of 1:30 today, yeah, Montana, there's a guy on TikTok that's getting a horse for Taylor. As of 1:30, both did appear in court requesting an attorney. Nathan did not get his next court date as of 1:30. If he gets one later on today, I'll check and let you guys know. Ashley got her court date, which will be March 8th for plea, and looks like the trial scheduled for April. But I will tell you that first court trial date never happens. Never. It is very rare in any type of murder, homicide cases whatsoever for it to actually happen on that first court date. You know, we've been waiting for Joshua Cadell's murder and Karen McFarland's murder to go to court for some time now. And of course, we just got through with David Dunn, and he was killed in September of 2021. And we just now got to his case. So it's definitely a slow process, but I did want to keep you posted on those two. And I appreciate all of you guys for keeping me on my toes and keeping it there. I'm going to keep this video just about them because I know it's a little bit further out than my normal coverage area. And if I get to talking about local stuff, the people in Forest City in their town might not know where it is, and I caused some confusion with some of my reports last time there. So there you go. Continue to pray for Taylor. Keep everybody involved in this situation in your prayers. If anything changes, I will come back on here and let you know. But there you go. They both needed attorneys. Ashley's court date is March 8th, scheduled for trial in April. I don't look for that to actually fall down that way. Regina, yeah, Ashley waived her right to a speedy trial. Good question. Ashley did waive her right to a speedy trial. When you do that, it doesn't say, let me double check one more as far as he goes. He just filed the affidavit saying he's broke. No other court date on his. He just said he was broke. Yeah. He writes pretty sloppy too. I have no way to contact an attorney is what he says. So that was the extent of today's court procedures. I said justice is slow, but eventually gets there. It is a case I'll continue to follow. Keep everybody in your prayers, especially Taylor, the young girl, and of course the grandmother and all of that. I'll jump back up in a little bit. As far as the KRK reporter that was killed in an accident early this morning, yes, I know the name. I've known the name since this morning. Her mother is aware of it until we get some more, and until I feel comfortable that more of the family has been notified. I'm going to hold off on releasing those names because I did it by investigating, not by getting official statements out on that. But very sad in that as well. But just as I feel comfortable sharing that name with you guys, I will definitely let you know the reporter that was killed in the accident this morning. All right, guys, this is Alvie from Just Alvie News. Asking you to do me a favor, click a reaction, click a care on this one, say a prayer for everybody involved, hit share on this video, because I know this is a case that everybody's been following, and I think it disturbed all of us right around Christmas time. So, indigent, there we go. That's funny, when you typed it, even though I'm reading it, when you typed it, I can say it, but my mind won't comprehend it when I'm looking on that computer screen. Is that what? Yeah, that's where they file for a lawyer. Affidavit of indigency. Ooh. All right, I'm out of here, guys. Hope you guys are enjoying this weather outside. I got the windows open, trying to catch up on these messages. This is Alvie from Just Alvie News, reminding you to always make good choices.